Index of Refraction by Kiva and Zach Olivar.
When light passes through another object, the light will bend as it passes. This is called refraction. The slower or more bend the light experiences, the more dense the object is. The angle of incidence is bigger than the angle of refraction.
When light travels from a low to high density object, the light bends towards the normal line and it slows down. When the light travels from a high to low density object, the light bends away from the normal line and it speeds up.
The variables to find the refraction of light through an object are N, C, V. N equals index of refraction, C equals speed of light, V equals speed of light in medium.
So when you put those variables together, the equation you come up with is N equals C over V. Here's a diagram of the problem. Glass has an index of refraction of 1.52. What is the speed of light in glass? How far does light travel after 120 seconds?
We know that the speed of light in a vacuum is always 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. The index of refraction of glass is 1.52. The unknown variable is V, the speed of light through the medium.
The equation we will use to solve this is N equals C over V, which means the index of refraction equals the speed of light in a vacuum divided by the speed of light in a medium. Now what we have to do is plug in the givens into the equation. We already know that N equals 1.52 and C always equals 3 times 10 to the 8. All we need to find is V.
First you would multiply V to the other side of the equation. Then you would divide 1.52 by 3 times 10 to the 8. Finally, you will be ready to receive your answer. The speed of light in glass is 1.97 times 10 to the 8 meters per second.
Now for the second part of the problem. Using the information we just found out, we will find out how far the light will travel in glass after 120 seconds.
We know that the speed of light in glass is 1.97 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, and the time is 120 seconds.
We can solve for the distance by multiplying the speed of light in glass by the time. When you multiply the two numbers, you get 2.37 times 10 to the 10th meters, and that is the final answer.
Bye-bye. That's our presentation.